And one of the ways you should absolutely be using Camtasia, if you haven't done so already, is in conjunction with screencast.com to do customer service. So right now you're looking at a web browser, and you're looking at your recorder. So let's give a scenario where you would have to explain to your customer how to do research on Google. And this would take a Google search. And you'd want to show them how to look. Now, of course, one of the good things that you can do with Camtasia is actually walk through that process where you type in the search term, where you get the search term, where you scroll through the list of information to find out which one would be best to do. And of course, all you're going to have to do in order to do this is to hit your recording toolbar and to record. Now, once again, this message comes because we're recording with two instances of Camtasia. Right now, this is going to start the recording. And so if we look through our digital camera information, this is just hypothetical. And even if we were to find out what other keywords there were, and then decided we were going to look at information here just based on that. Well, being able to do quick video tutorials is one of the best little ways that you can actually use Camtasia in order to do customer service and in order to explain to your clients exactly what you mean. As they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So what happens after the recording? Well, okay, so we stop the recording. It's about 41 seconds. And what happens is the video comes into the media bin. And we're going to bring it down to the timeline. Now, one of the things that we can do is we can share this video to screencast.com. And what we're going to do with it at screencast.com, we're going to get a link to give to our customer. So let's go do that right now. So we're just going to look briefly at the fact that this project is rendering. We're going to turn the camera back off until it's complete. Okay, so now it's completing and complete. It will now upload to Screencast, which is a fairly short process depending on how much space your video is actually going to take. So now what do we have at Screencast? Well, we have a link and we have a video. So instead of trying to explain to our customer exactly what we're trying to tell them, we will just grab this link and we will pass it on to them. And after some time, we might want to go into Screencast and clear out some of those videos. But this gives us an opportunity to give high levels of customer and client service, and at the same time, save ourselves time by making sure that we explain things correctly the first time. So Camtasia is great for this use, and it mirrors another TechSmith program called Jing. A number of entrepreneurs and educators use that system, and it works just as well. Camtasia does the very same thing as Jing. So make sure to use this tool in a way that helps you best. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.